Are you an experienced pharmacist or pharmaceutical professional from the India, Pakistan, the Gulf, Bangladesh, or any other developing country? Did you know that China is actively hiring senior level pharma experts in 2026 for plant head, directors, or GM roles? Today I will show you exactly how experienced professionals can secure senior pharma positions in China, including companies, recruitment platforms, and visa routes. So first let's discuss that why China in 2026. China's pharmaceutical industry is expanding rapidly under the Health China 2030, localization of API, biologicals growth, and massive investment in the sterile injectables and oncology facilities. Because of this expansion, China faces a serious shortage of the senior GMP leaders, especially professionals from 15 to 25 years of experience in real plant operations. If you have spent years running productions, quality assurance, validations, or operations, you are exactly the profile China wants in 2026. Here is the high demand in senior positions in 2026. China is recruiting foreign professionals mainly for the senior and leadership roles, including plant heads or general managers, production directors, quality assurance or quality control heads, or senior managers, regulatory affairs professionals and compliance experts, validations and qualifications manager, sterile oncology specialist or cytotoxic specialist, or biologicals experts. These are decision making roles, not entry level jobs, and that's why foreign expertise is welcomed. So now discuss the eligibility and requirements. So to qualify, you typically need you need a master's in science or pharmacy, doctor of pharmacy, or master's preferred but not mandatory. Having experience of 10 to 15 years or more of the pharmaceutical industry, strong background in GMP, sterile manufacturing, biological manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance. Your documents are verified, degrees attestation, experience letters are there, GMP or audit experts are there. One more thing is the police clearance. It must be cleared. Your experience matters, not then nationality. China hired based on skills, not on the passports. So best and realistic ways to apply is here are most effective methods for the 2026. One method is that you directly apply to the direct company application, apply to the large and mid-sized pharma groups such as the Fosun Pharma, Wuxi, Aptec, CSPS, Sinopharm, Hengrui Medicine, Shanghai Pharmaceuticals, and international JV plants. Method 2 is that you must go for the executive and life science recruiters. Use platforms like the LinkedIn Global, Hey China, Life Sciences, Michael Page China, and Pharma Boardroom. Method 3 is that you must go through the LinkedIn strategy, search for the role like the plant directors, head of the manufacturing or quality directors in China, connect with HR leaders and recruiters using a clear achievement focused profile. One more method is that you may go through the government talent channels. Register with the official programs such as the Shanghai Overseas Talent Hub, Shenzhen High Level Talent Program, and Beijing International Talent Services. These actively recruit foreign experts in 2026. Salary expectations and visa reality. If I talk that it's let's talk money and visas. Realistically, salary ranges in 2026. A role like a senior manager or plant manager, they may earn approx 25,000 to 40,000 yuan per month. If you go beyond that director or GM levels, they may get 40 to 70,000 yuan per month. Technical consultants 1200 to 2500 per day. Now let's see which type of visa are eligible. Visa routes are Z visa, standard work visa for senior professionals. Another is the R visa, high level talent visa for the director and technical experts. Important note, the K visa is not the pharma leadership jobs. Senior roles come with Z or R visas only. So winning application strategies that succeed in China follow this proven strategy. Prepare a leadership level CV, not a routine job CV. Highlight the GMP achievements, audits, capacity expansions, cost savings, and routine regulatory exposures. Create a short professional introductory video. It's optional, but it's a powerful tool. Apply through companies and recruitment agencies simultaneously. Expect 2 to 3 virtual interviews round after offer. Process Z or visa from your home country. Relocation and begin structured onboarding. So, if you are an experienced pharma professional from a developing country, this is one of the few market in 2026 that truly value senior hands-on experience. This is not about the age; it's about the experience. It's about the leadership and GMP credibility. If you have that, China is open for you. If you want, I can help you to prepare a China focused CV and a LinkedIn profile for senior pharma roles. Like this video, subscribe to the opportunities with Aqeel and turn on the notification for the real practical global pharma career guidelines. Save at the top, maybe in the China. So what's change quietly but powerfully?